A silent move seen only from space. It is setting off alarm bells worldwide. Something unusual is happening deep inside Iran right now. Wait, not announced, not declared, not confirmed officially, but satellites, they never blink. And what they are now showing over Isfahan, it is really hard to ignore. Let's talk about the images that changed everything. Fresh satellite pictures reveal a dramatic transformation at Iran's Isfahan nuclear complex. Tunnel entrances, once visible, they are now completely buried. Layer after layer of earth, bumped deliberately, sealed carefully. Now, this is not construction, right? This is concealment. In fact, experts are raising the red flags here. Defense analysts say that this kind of activity is not routine. Sealing underground tunnel does three critical things here. First, it absorbs the impact of airstrike. Second, it blocks access for ground or any special forces raid. And third, it protects what lies below. Anything, equipment, materials, possibly enriched uranium as well. In simple words, Iran appears to be hiding something valuable and dangerous underground, basically covering tunnel mouths with thick earth. It is an old military trick. It weakens explosion, it hides heat signatures, and it confuses the targeting system. And it sends a very clear message that we are preparing for the impact here. In fact, the timing, that is chilling. That's right, what's making analysts even more uneasy is when this is happening. Similar preparations were seen before a previous covert strike campaign when multiple Iranian nuclear sites came under attack. In fact, similar preparations were seen before a previous covert strike campaign when multiple Iranian nuclear sites came under the attack. Fordo, Isfahan, Natanz. The pattern looks very familiar here, right? And that is why experts are whispering just one word again and again: escalation. And who is Iran preparing for? Well, military watchers believe that this is a move that is aimed at two possible adversaries, the US and Israel. Well, both have repeatedly said that they will not allow Iran to cross nuclear red line. Both possess the firepower, intelligence, and reach to strike deep underground. And Iran knows exactly that thing. But you know what this means for the rest of the world? This is not just about one facility here. If Iran is fortifying Isfahan, it suggests that Tehran believes another confrontation is possible or even likely. Diplomacy may still be happening on paper, but on the ground, preparations have already begun. In fact, what satellites see, human must decode here. No explosions yet, no missile fired, no official warning issued. Just Earth moved quietly, tunnels erased from the site, and a nuclear site turning into a bunker. Sometimes, the most dangerous signals are the silent ones. So the question now haunting the global security circle is Iran simply protecting its assets? Or is this the final defensive step before something much bigger unfolds? Because when nations start hiding underground, it usually means that they are expecting trouble from the sky.